Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace this windshield wash fluid reservoir cap of the VW Polo. This particular part doesn't look all the more premium, and it is given in the Polo, Vento and Rapid as well. So I've got this particular cap which looks premium, and the build quality is also pretty good, doesn't feel very flimsy. I'll link the part number in the description below, so have a look. Replacing it is very simple, you don't need any tools. Just comes off like that. That's all. See how better looking it is compared to this one right here. The good thing is this part is now available on Bodmo. Back then I had a friend carry it from the US. It is used in some of the Audi SUVs like this Q7 that you see here. I'll be leaving the part number in the description, so be sure to check that out. So I guess that's all. Thank you.